welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the next video of our PySpark series. So in this video we will learn about the Parquet file. So I have an Parquet file, house price Parquet file. So I have copied the location of this and the file name over here. So we will came to know, or we will learn like how we can read the Parquet file. So earlier, right, we have seen how to read the CSV file and like how we can manipulate the CSV file. So if you have not watched my previous video, I'll give the link into the suggestion box. Go and watch those videos. So in particular video, right, let's learn about the Parquet file. So this is a Parquet file. Parquet file is a more delta type file which we use to store into the our data into the delta storage. So it Parquet table used to have a log as well. So let's come through. Let's learn how we can read. So just we will create one data frame called df Parquet, and we will write a spark dot read dot. Instead of CSV, right, we used to give CSV, we will give the Parquet over here. So what it will take the Parquet as a parameter. So just we will copy this and we will paste it over here, and let's try to run. And we have run, right? So suppose like if we'll put dear Parquet dot so see, we can see, right, we have a price, area, bedroom, bathroom, stories, main road, guest room, basement. So all we got for the list. Now what we'll see into the Parquet, let's suppose we'll print the schema. Okay. So what we are getting the schema aligned into the Parquet format. So if similar basis, right, let's suppose we have an df Shark Tank, right, or we have this electoral bond, and in this CSV files, suppose we are reading this bond. Okay. Just take this and put it over here and put this bond.csv, put it code and just df bond spark dot read dot csv. Then we will give location. Okay. And just so n is equals to 2. Just put this and df df bond dot so n is equals to 2. So what we are looking, we will look like how we can read. Okay, so just put R because it's not in readable format. Okay, so bond CSV files, bonds. So we can see, right, if in Parquet, if you'll not give the option as a header, it automatically taking that as a header. But in CSV, we have to provide explicitly dot option as a header. So we will provide over here header is equals to true. Then it will give the header. Now we are getting header, right? Now let's print the schema and see. So print a schema. Okay, and I'll just keep over here as well, print a schema. So we can see the default schema. By default, it is taking the schema, but in this, right, by default, it's into the string format. So this is the major. Even the file size is also less if we'll compare with the CSV. So if anyone will ask the syntax to read the Parquet, right, we have to just pass the spark.read.parquet. It will be easily got read and like in like hope you have understood this. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe so you will get the notification whenever I will upload the new video. Thanks